for my painting announcement giveaway, which was on from April until May. So I just ended it last night. If you don't know who I am, I'm a abstract, realist, kind of political pop painter. And let me show you some of the stuff I'm working on while we wait for people to get on. So some of the stuff I've been working on this month has been my water lily series. So these are 8x10s. Here's another one. And these are kind of inspired by, obviously, Monet's work. And those are on eBay for just $1. Another series I worked on this month was kind of with the lockdown. I thought, well, let's do something on kind of the real feed that people are eating, which is kind of like beans on toast from England. And these are 8x10 as well. So and these are just kind of fun. And I've done videos on all these guys if you guys want to check it out. Another fun series I just did, I think last week, was actually a casino dice. As you can see, these are 8x10s as well. Hey, someone joined there. Good to see you guys on. And another one there. So those are my casino dice paintings that I did this month. A really fun series I did this month as well is I did the toilet paper series. And these are 8x10s. And the fun thing about these is they're kind of little tongue-in-cheek, so they're $500 each. So no price gouging for eBay. So these are my toilet paper series. And finally, one of the other series I worked on is the Northern Lights. These are 8x10. These are really thin, so you need an extra frame. And you can see those are really nicely done here. And here's the final one. Let me put those away. So let's get to the real meat of the thing, which is the painting giveaway, which is right here, guys. Let me flip this around. You can see how large this is. So you can see it's quite large. This is a 48 by 48. This is the painting we're giving away. So you can see it's really big. And now let's announce who actually won the painting giveaway. And of course, I lost the paper. Oh, it's right here. I didn't lose the paper. Here it is, guys. Is Ryan Bauer from San Francisco. Congratulations, Ryan. You're going to have 2 weeks to reply to this message that you got it. Send me an email. I need a photo of you, profile photo, and then once you get the artwork, photo of the painting. If you don't reply within 2 weeks, I move on to the next runner-up. So the winner is Ryan Bauer at San Francisco, California. Congratulations. And if you guys want to check on my website, ShawNshawN.co, if you want to check out some of my products, learn more about me and my painting style as well as videos. And check out my eBay store. There's a link there on my store site, which has my full offering. My store on my website only has a few things right now. Probably later I'll expand that. So good luck and thanks for participating, guys.